Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I request you to share if possible. I'm gonna sing a song for you tonight. As the name of the song is Imagine Me Without You. So I hope you like it. Okay. As long as stars shine down from heaven and the rivers run into the sea till the end of time forever, you're the only love I need. In my life you're all that matters. In my eyes the only truth I see. When my hopes and dreams are shattered, you're the one there for me. When I found you, I was blessed, and I will never leave you. I need you. Imagine without you, I was lost, so confused. I would have lost today. I'll be afraid without you there to see me true. Imagine me without you. Lord, you know it's just impossible. Because of you, it's all brand new. My life is now worthwhile. I can't imagine me without you. When you called me, I was falling. Your love lifted me back on my feet. It was like you heard me calling, and you rushed to set me free. When I found you, I was blessed, and I will never leave you. I need you. Imagine me